This tutorial provides instructions for how to access the biorepository for investigation of neonatal diseases of the lung, or BRINDL. This repository has been created by the Human Tissue Core for the Lung Molecular Atlas Program, or LungMAP, funded by the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute. The best way to access the BRINDL homepage is through the LungMAP homepage at lungmap.net. Click on Request Human Lung Tissue, and this will take you to the homepage of the BRINDL repository. If you are a current LungMAP collaborative member with a BRINDL account, please sign in for your usual access. If you do not have a BRINDL account, please request an account through the photo link that will take you to a brief form that will request such a biorepository account. We ask you to complete this short survey to give us a brief accounting of what your interest and purpose is in requesting a BRINDL account. We ask if you're a member of the LungMAP Consortium, your interest and purpose in requesting the account. We ask that you identify a principal investigator, place your own name if that is you, and then provide a biosketch or CV for the principal investigator and/or for yourself as the requester. Finally, provide us with contact information, last name, first name, title and role in the laboratory, email address, and telephone number, so that we may contact you with further information. We also anticipate that most requesters of BRINDL access will be affiliated with an institution and have an institution shipping address that you can complete here. Once you've completed each of those elements, click Submit. You will be presented with this window if you've forgotten any required pieces of the form. Say OK. If you have completed all of the required elements, you will be taken from this survey. If you have not completed the survey and would like to return later, click that button, and you'll be provided with a return code by which you can access the initial parts of the survey that you did complete. With your completion of that survey, this will generate an email to BRINDL that asks for access to a BRINDL account. You should receive an email with instructions and an opportunity to set a password, and then you'll be able to access BRINDL and actually sign in.